Hi, in this video I'll be going over how I scan for super performance stocks. A super performance stock is a stock that gains over 100% in a year, and there are traits for each of these stocks that it happens to. There is common denominators, good earnings, good price action near all-time high, low volatility, uptrend, etc., etc. So this is the screener I use to find those stocks. Market cap over 300 million for the uptrend, SMA 20 above SMA 50, and then price above SMA 50 and price above SMA 200, and then 52-week high/low, 0 to 10% below high, and earnings per share growth and sales growth over 20% quarter over quarter, and then country USA. Now, what you do is you go through this list and you identify what stocks are working their way up to the local high with low volatility price action. So KNF here, you can see it's worked its way up to its high. It's not volatile. That's a good stock. And this stock's been on my list for a long time now. It's been on this. And as you can see here, definitely a super performance stock. Anyways, let me go back to the screener. So yeah, you scan through the list and you look for, here you go to charts, and you look for price action coming up to the local high, or low volatility price action that's coming up to the local high. As we can see here, Royal Caribbean Group, this was beautiful, tight price action coming up to the high, except it had earnings, and earnings became very volatile and would have wiped out any traders. Here we have ANF. Wow, what a run up just this year. That's a super performance stock. Wingstop coming near its highs. Looks low volatility. Already have it charted out actually. So on the hourly, we can see it clear highs, came down, came up, hit the break point, retested the early entry zone, actually deviated below it a fair amount, and then now it's broken out above. This is in target to the 1.618, which is 3.3% away from the break point. I mean, that's a great setup. That's a great setup that you could enter with a very tight stop loss and net a 4-hour trade and maybe even beyond, depending on where your entry is and where your end targets are. Let's go on. BRBR, another super performance stock that has been on this list for a while. And right now, currently, clear highs, tight, low volatility price action leading up into the local highs. Beautiful, beautiful base, beautiful base. Let me pull up BRBR. Beautiful. Volatility lowering as price action is moving up. We had a bit of a spike around here, but it continued to get tight around here, which is nice. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. It's actually on my watch list. ELF, same type of thing, took out the high, but too volatile. Too volatile. ELF is quite a volatile stock. I don't like trading it. USAC, clear highs, worked its way up, couldn't get over, crashed down. Too volatile. It's not, I like tight patterns, if that makes sense. This is a very wide pattern we have here. Almost a 20% range from the top to the bottom. Probably $27 up here and $23 down here. Anyways, that is how I screen for stocks and how I find individual stocks to trade to outperform the market.